The vehicle information display is located between the speedometer and tachometer. Press these buttons on the steering wheel to access the menus and submenus. The menu bar disappears a few seconds after you stop pressing the buttons. The menus may vary based on the equipment installed on your vehicle. The following menus can be accessed: trip, navigation, audio, drive assist, service, settings. The audio and navigation menus differ slightly between vehicles depending on the equipment level. There are two different trip displays. Access the standard trip display by pressing and holding this button on the steering wheel until the trip menu comes up. To access the trip computer from start or from reset, press these buttons on the steering wheel. The following modes are displayed on the trip menu: distance, driving time, average speed, average fuel consumption. To reset these values, first select the trip menu and then the function that you wish to reset. The functions are trip meter, trip computer from the start, and trip computer from the last reset. Next, press OK, select Yes, and press OK to confirm. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.